Howdy folks, John with HillCo here. I am downright fired up about this new Maxx36 Honey Extractor we're launching today. It will extract 36 medium frames radially or up to 36 deeps radially. Fits 32 deeps a little bit more comfortably, but you can fit 36 frames in there, 36 deeps. So nice big machine, very solidly built. One of our first ever machines that is built here in America. I get a lot of flack from some of the competitors out there. Some people say HillCo stuff is really made in China. They just assemble it in USA. Not anymore, boys. This bad boy is made in America, okay? Still import motor and controller, but we put a great warranty on that stuff. We'll talk about our fabulous warranty later, but this machine is a beast. So one of the things you'll notice about it that's different from a lot of extractors out there, including the rest of our lineup currently, is that there's no motor on top. We put that puppy down underneath there. New thing we're starting to do on some of these extractors, bottom drive. I really love this new bottom drive configuration. Been wanting to do it for a lot of years now. We're finally starting to do it, starting with this Maxx36 model. So some of the benefits of bottom drive are, number one, a lower center of gravity, right? Instead of your weight being on top here, it's down below. And so on these bigger machines, it doesn't matter quite as much, but it is still a nice thing to have that motor down below, out of the way. And then on the top here, just a much nice cleaner top. And I love the fact that as opposed to our previous models where the front lid would hinge, but the back lid couldn't hinge because of the way the motor offset, now both lids hinge open nice and wide, nice big opening. We can use a narrower top bar now because the motor's not up there. So really slick. Again, I love this bottom drive system. Cleaner top, lower center of gravity. It's just really slick and overall much cleaner machine. Now the controller box is mounted on the side here. Same configuration as we use in our other machines. A great PowerMax drive system. So it's a 3-phase motor, 3/4 horsepower motor, 5-to-1 worm drive gearbox. As always, just 2 steel gears in there, heat treated gears, just 2 bearings, simple design, a lifetime grease in there. Don't have to service it. You have just a simple nylon bearing at the top of the grease zerk. You'll just grease every 10 hours or once a year. There's one little pump of grease in there. There's an American-made ball bearing in the bottom of the machine holding everything down. And like our previous top drive models, what I love about these machines, we've kept this intact, is that you can remove the top bar and pull that reel out just as easy as you ever could before. So super easy to take apart, to clean if you want to. You can hose it out with it fully assembled if you want to, but a lot of people do like to take them apart. So we made it very easy. All you gotta do is take out these 2 knobs and lift the top bar off. The top bar comes off easily. The reel pulls out easily. You can clean, you can wash it, you can do whatever you want. Made from type 304, food grade stainless steel. All the parts are American made, food grade stainless steel. 18 gauge tank, some of the thickest we've ever done. Really beefy reel. We'll show some footage of that here in a second. Really beefed up setup. Again, can you tell I'm excited this machine is? Just really nice. 2-inch drain port here, 2-inch NPT. We give you a nice big stainless steel ball valve with that NPT, the 2-inch male thread. You got a lot of flexibility to do some plumbing on some of the commercial setups. Guys like to plumb in and tie in some different piping and stuff. You have a lot of flexibility with that. By the way, it is tall enough if you are still draining in 5-gallon buckets. You can certainly do that. It's tall enough to fit a 5-gallon bucket underneath. Another thing we did to make it more commercial friendly is we added, you'll see there's a loop here, and on the opposite side another loop for mounting the top bar if you want to reorient your top bar to this direction so you can load more easily from the side. If that's the way your drain is working or whatever, you can do that. So our digital VFD variable frequency drive controller, like most of our bigger extractors, really slick setup, converts single phase 110 volt input into 3-phase output to feed the motor what it needs. We love this system. Again, we use this system across all of our motorized products, and just really slick. The 3-phase system is industrial grade. It's very easy to speed control. There's less parts to go wrong. Just a nice setup. And again, we've had very good success with it. And so this VFD controller, you have both manual or automatic modes. And so you can put it in manual mode and just use this knob here to control that speed as you want to, up or down, just be able to slow that up or down very smoothly. Or you can put it in automatic mode, which is, we have a program already put in there, already programmed in. So when you flip into automatic mode, just simply hit run. It'll start out slow and run through a 12.5-minute cycle and just slowly ramp up over that 12.5 minutes, a couple minutes at this speed, a couple minutes at that speed, keep bumping up slowly to get that honey slung out, and just slowly ramp the speed as the honey slings out, as it balances itself out, and finally it runs for 5 minutes of that 12.5-minute cycle at full speed. And so a nice setup, and that's a program we already put in there. That's something we can also help you to adjust the program if you want to down the road. If you don't like the program we have in there, you can tweak that, but it really works good. So now let's talk about our warranty. In the past, HillCo has led the industry with our best-in-class warranties. Now the competitors out there are starting to react a little bit, and that's a good thing for the industry. But they're starting to catch up a little bit here and there, so we don't want to give them any opportunity to do that. So we're going to take the bar a few steps higher, see if they want to catch up with us now. But so we now have our drive system, our controller, our motor, our gearbox, and our bearings. Those items are all guaranteed for 10 years, okay? 10-year warranty on all that stuff, no questions asked, or no hassle warranty. If you got a problem, we will take care of it. Not a bunch of fine print, not a bunch of asterisks and little details that you got to step through. We just take care of our customers. And then all the stainless steel parts, all this beautiful American-made stainless steel on this machine is guaranteed forever. And I mean forever. I mean for you, for your grandkids, for your great-grandkids, your 16 generations down the line. We'll still cover this if we're still alive, and they are too. But anyway, 10 years on your drive system and on your bearings, forever on everything else. Top that, guys out there. You will love this extractor. It's a fabulous machine. Check it out on our website, www.hillco.buzz. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.